I was called to, this is my initial days, I was called to see this lady who was apparently उनके गांव गई थी वो. गांव में कुछ तो पूजा वगैरह था, लेकिन वो पूजा के दौरान someone died. It was some health issues and the person died, but the lady was very close to that person. And उनको जलाया वाला जो कुछ भी है, but generally females are asked not to go to the fire जहाँ पे लगता है, but she was standing because she was very close. Crematorium. But she was very close, so she was standing there. But जब से वो वापस आई है वहां से, she has been acting very weirdly. Weirdly in a way कि जो उनमें जो behavioral changes आए हैं, it is very similar to the person who died. And वो घर आई, घर आने के बाद और भी increase हो चुका है उनके signs. She's biting people, slapping people, she's lying around on the floor with no clothes and all. भाइयों को धकेल रही है, थप्पड़ मारी, अपने husband को थप्पड़ मारी, and all those things are happening. Now the kid is very scared. Kid छोटा सा था, 6 साल का बच्चा, और अपनी मम्मी के पास नहीं जा पा रहा है, thinking कि मम्मी मैं something is wrong. So they call me and they're like, ऐसा ऐसा problem है. And the moment they shared the story, the first element where she said the lady was very close to the one who died, as I knew that something is wrong, कुछ तो wrong है यहाँ पे. So now when I entered, this lady saw me and started running toward her bedroom and she shut the door. अगर मैं ये मूवी में दिखाऊं, it will look very scary that she just sees me and she starts running, inside the room. And I'm standing there like, what happened? And they are like, the family is like, yeah, that's what she's been doing. I said, okay, but we need to open the door anyway. So now we are knocking, जो कुछ भी है, and 15-20 minutes, 30 minutes हो गया, she's not opening. Finally, हम बाहर बैठे हैं, and I'm like, नहीं, I'll help you, don't worry. But she needs to open. We can't break it because it will traumatize her more, and I don't want to do that. हम करेंगे, लेकिन उनके condition में करेंगे, but we'll play along and see what happens. It's a diagnosis that you have to do. And before we take any position ka case, the most important part is, have you shown it to a medical practitioner? Have you done the test and all? They were like, हमने नहीं किया. Why? Because everything happened very quickly and we don't want to lose her. And ऐसा ठीक है, but then in that case हमको wait करना पड़ेगा. Then after some time, 30-40 minutes बाद आवाज आती है वो unlock करने का, and the door opens and she comes out and she's like, those typical possessed वाला look, बाल एकदम खुले हैं, सामने है, सर नीचे है. She just comes out and she sees me again, I'm sitting there. She again runs back inside and sits on the bed. This time she didn't close the door because I was very close to the door. And then go in and I tell them, you know what, you'll have to hold her because if she starts charging at me, I'm all alone. वो मेरे को overpower कर देगी. And मैं उनसे 10-15 साल छोटा हूँ. And she's like, like proper built, and she does something to me, I'll be gone. So I said, be ready to hold her if necessary. So when I go near her, she starts doing those actions where it felt like, she might charge. So I request them कि उसको पकड़ो पर उसको दबा के मत रखो. Like hold them कि in case she gets up, just put her down. And then I go and then I'm just talking to him like, what happened? आप क्यों ऐसे हो? He's like, no, I want to go back. I'm like, go back where? कि नहीं, वो मेरा काम खत्म नहीं किया है. I need to complete that work. So I need to go back. And then he asked, what's your name? So she took a name and that guy confirmed is the name of the person who died. And they are now, shouting and crying. They're like, ये तो असली में possessed हो गई है and all. I'm like, calm down. Needs to be taken in proper way. Because she was already charging at people, I told the people कि काम करो, आप रहो उधर. I don't want you to guys hold her very tightly because again she'll get traumatized कि क्या हो रहा है उसके साथ. But in case charges, please continue. क्योंकि मैं देखा कि जब मैं entry करा, she started doing all those, ऐसा गुस्से में जो होता है, and she's doing those movements with the hands कि, trying to catch hold of something. So I said कि please just हाथ रखो. And the first thing I just go and ask is, क्या हुआ? What's the problem? She's like, no, I have to go back. I need to complete the story. And कुछ तो उसने she said क्या कि ये बाकी रह गया है, मुझे खत्म करना है. I said, क्या बाकी रह गया है? She said nothing. Hey, what's your name? So she took a name जो कि these family members confirmed कि is of the person who died. So now they are crying now कि अरे ये तो असली में possessed हो गई. मैंने कहा आराम से थोड़ा लेते हैं इसको. Then हम लेके then जाके वहाँ पे क्या करना है? लेकिन वो काम खत्म करना है, लेकिन कौन सा काम? She is not telling again. So I'm asking the family कि कुछ ऐसा बच गया था उनका कि क्या है करके. And they are like कि हमको तो पता नहीं कि क्या है. These two are very close. We have no idea. सो आई सेड के फिर अभी आप जाओगे तो फिर आपके बच्चे का क्या होगा? एंड शी इज लाइक मेरा कोई बच्चा नहीं है। मैंने कहा फिर ये कौन है? सो द किड वाज स्टैंडिंग राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ हर। आई सेड ये कौन है फिर? एंड देन शी सीज एंड देन गोज डाउन अगेन। मुझे नहीं पता ये कौन है करके। सो माय वर्क हैज ऑलवेज बीन कि उनको कॉन्शियसनेस में लाना है मुझे कैसे ना कैसे करके, बिकॉज आई डू नॉट नो इफ देयर इज एन एंटिटी देयर। आई हैव टू परफॉर्म दिस एक्सोर्सिज्म एंड आई हैव टू परफॉर्म दिस क्लिनजिंग वेयर आई हैव टू ब्रिंग हर बैक टू रियलिटी। सो आई एम डूइंग एवरीथिंग के बट देन द मोमेंट आई शोड हर ना एक बार, आई नाउ सॉ कि शी इज कॉन्स्टेंट और बीच में ऐसे उठ के देख रही है अपने बच्चे को, एंड देन शी इज गोइंग बैक टू नॉर्मलसी एंड डूइंग ऑल दोस जिबरिश एंड बातें कर रही है अजीब किस्म के नेटिव लैंग्वेज में बात कर रही है। शी इज फ्रॉम ओडिशा, बट ओडिशा में भी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस हैं, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट गाँव में वो बात कर रही थी बीच बीच में। एंड देन अगेन एवरी टाइम आई यूज्ड टू आस्क क्या काम है, शी नेवर आंसर दैट। सो आई सेड एक काम करते हैं, आई एम गोइंग टू टच यू राइट नाउ एंड आई एम गोइंग टू डू समथिंग and you are going to tell me what you are feeling. What I did was I went to her. Now we have chakras in the body. The top one is called the crown chakra. Now the crown chakra is the most powerful chakras, but it's also the point जहाँ पे energies आप receive करते हो when you are meditating, when you are in prayers and जो कुछ भी है. So what I did was I just kind of gathered myself, I centered myself, and I just took my hand and I put my hand on her crown chakra and I just मैं जिनको मानता हूँ द डिवाइन एनर्जी, आई जस्ट टोल्ड द डिवाइन एनर्जी एंड आई काइंड ऑफ टॉक्ड हर टेलीपैथिकली, just please heal this person through whatever trauma is. And while I'm keeping my hand on her head and everyone is holding and putting my hand and ऐसा I just feel के there's good energy going from me to her and she's healing. And I'm telling के क्या दिख रहा है? And she initially she was telling nothing, but she started reacting like she's feeling irritated about it. And then जैसे irritated feel करी ना, these people start clenched her थोड़ा सा hardly because I was very close and she was like exactly holding me position में. And I started doing that and वो जिबरिशली कुछ बात करना चालू की, बट धीरे धीरे आई सॉ के उसका जो सर नीचे था ना, इट स्टार्टेड कमिंग अप 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 एंड द क्लेंच जो था, शी वाज गेटिंग एजिटेटेड, उसकी बॉडी स्टार्टेड गोइंग डाउन, लाइक द शोल्डर्स आर सो स्टिफ, इट स्टार्टेड गोइंग डाउन धीरे एंड आई एम टेलिंग टू द फैमिली के शी इज गेटिंग फाइन. एट वन मोमेंट आई टोल्ड कि लीव हर, छोड़ दो उसको, डोंट डू एनीथिंग. Then her head is now straight, but उसके eyes are closed and her tears are going through her right now. And I knew that she is fine. वो अभी ठीक हो जाएगी. And then I remove my hand and I'm looking at her and I'm like, and I still don't know if it is done or not. This is my initial days. And I'm asking, are you okay? So I now take her name now, जो उनका नाम था. And I'm like, are you okay now? And she just looks at me, which was very creepy because she just looked straight into my eyes. She stood up, jumped on the bed and slept. ऐसे उठी, ऐसे लाइक कूद के जो सोते हैं ना बच्चे लोग. She stood up, jumped on the bed and slept. And पूरा slept एकदम. And I'm like अच्छा ये क्या हुआ? और जो भी था, because I never seen, generally maybe should have reacted in a bad way or a good way. But I knew कि जब ऐसा कुछ होता है एनर्जी में बहुत शिफ्ट आती है, so people get drained very quickly. But the jumping was very weird. Anyway, probably it was the high energy or something that triggered that moment. But 12 hours later, I get a call that she's fine now, but she looks very weak because वो खाना भी नहीं खा रही थी. And she's constantly, holding her kid अपने बाजू में, वो उसको नहीं जाने दे रही है कहीं पे. She's like, नहीं, don't take him away. And not slapping, not biting. She's aware of what's happening. Then after some days, she was school teacher. So after a few days, she went back to school. Yeah.